Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the phone a proper router. Enable mobile hotspot, choose a simple SSID and WPA2 password, and force 2. 4 GHz if your phone allows that choice. Once done, disable battery saver and set hotspot timeout to never so the signal stays live. Next, power on the Jio Set Top Box and open the network or Wi-Fi settings on the TV. You want the box actively scanning for networks before proceeding to the pairing step. You now select your phone's SSID in the Jio Box Wi-Fi list and pick WPA2 as the security type. When prompted, enter the hotspot password exactly. Small typos happen often with remote keyboards, so double-check characters. Make sure the box is set to obtain IP automatically, DHCP, so the phone assigns an address. If DHCP fails, enter a manual IP in the same subnet as your phone. Set the phone IP as gateway and use a public DNS like 8. Once connected, you should see a network icon or be able to run a quick speed test on the Jio box to confirm internet access. Stream a short clip to validate stability. If it does not connect, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart the Jio box, and reboot your phone. Also check hotspot settings for AP isolation or client restrictions and disable them. As a last resort, switch hotspot band to 2.4 GHz because many set-top boxes do not support 5 GHz.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.